Morning traders, let's see what we have in store for the day today, which is the 19th of September. It's the Thursday. We had FOMC news come out at 7 p.m. yesterday, and the FOMC changed, the Fed changed interest rate by 50 BPS, which was more than forecasted. There's a lot of choppy price action going on throughout the day yesterday. Just see what we have today. We've got pound dollar, pound interest rates again today at 12 p.m. UK time. So that's around 7 a.m. US time. And we have tomorrow for pound retail sales, nothing for dollar. So yeah, let's just see how markets have played out. So this is what we had yesterday in terms of price action. We printed this strong pin bar that rejected this high from Friday 6th of September and also rejected that order block up there. I have had my eye on this buy side liquidity at 1.12 for a while, and my prediction going into the week has been that we will take out this high first and then we'll take out that high. However, yesterday we came in, rejected this with this strong pin bar, and since then we have come down and tapped into this bullish fair value gap in a bullish order flow, and so far held. That's just how prices open so far before London opens, so I'm not anticipating price to just completely push up, or it could do. There is honestly I have no idea what the price will do right now, especially we have, although we rejected those highs, prices come in. We took out these buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity above that daily time for fair value gap, and put in this bullish engulfing candle. So right now, to be honest, going into the day, I was watching that, looking at these lower time frames, I do anticipate price to come and take out that buy side liquidity, tap into that order block again. We do have this massive wick to get through as well, so yeah, let's just see how that plays out. But I will be looking at short-term trades going along this morning, especially we've got these fair value gaps. We got this daily time frame, the first daily time frame fair value gap. That price has held again, cleared yesterday, and again is kind of holding today. So we'll just see how that plays out. Maybe we'll come back and tap into that 50% of this fair value gap on the daily time frame, which also aligns up with these 60-minute fair value gaps. So we'll just have to wait and see. Right, we have one there, we have one there, and let's see how that plays out. We've also come into this order block. Currently we might find some resistance there that will allow price to push lower before we find support to go higher. I was anticipating or predicting price to pull deeper yesterday before FOMC, so I was predicting maybe we will see price drop deeper into this fair value gap and find support, and then during FOMC price will find strong support down there and push up to that buy side liquidity or order block. However, price had different intentions during the day, very choppy going in. We came down to these lows, cleared out that low, took out liquidity on the 4 hour. We didn't close below, which was a sign, like seeing all these wicks here and price failing to close below was a good sign that we might find some bullish support around that area, especially given it comes and taps into that daily time for fair value gap. And then price pulls in, holds this fair value gap inside this range, and then pushes up, and then it looks like it's going to continue higher around here, and then pulls deep, pushes up one more time, pulls back, pushes up. Just a lot of consolidation, as one would expect during before FOMC. So trading FOMC clearly seems like a nightmare for day trading, because what the hell is this? Pound dollar so far actually has taken out that buy side liquidity, the first one. We are, that monthly time frame fair value gaps consequent encroachment has been holding, but we've pulled deep, rejected weekly fair value gap, and then we pushed up. Maybe it will, but I don't anticipate this holding much longer, because we had that order block as well there, right, on the daily monthly time frame below that fair value gap. So that's pretty interesting. That price always finds such a good resistance, nice resistance at those areas. Okay, so not only that monthly order block was tapped into yesterday, we also came up and cleared out this buy side liquidity. The next buy side liquidity that I've been watching looks like it's been cleared out, or it's been tapped into. Okay, not yet. There's still some room for price to push up and clear that out, so that's an interesting watch. I will be looking at that buy side liquidity. So yesterday, similar to euro dollar, I was predicting maybe price will push lower, take out Tuesday's low, maybe tap into this fair value gap, and then find support and then push higher. But again, similar to euro dollar, it was just super choppy. We did reject, these highs, that monthly order block with this bearish pin buy yesterday. So maybe we won't look for opportunities to go long on pound dollar. So 4 hour looked like this yesterday. We opened and then pushed down with this strong bearish candle on Tuesday and consolidated around this fair value gap, and then price, I was anticipating price pull back here and then maybe push down into this fair value gap, into this low, and find support. And because of that, I was taking shorts around these areas and I was getting hammered. But yeah, price eventually pushes up, takes out that high, takes out this high first. Looks like it's going to push lower and then pushes up during the FOMC. A lot of choppy price action again, up and down, up and down, up and down, and then finally come down and clear out these fair value gaps, hold this order block, and then has been pushing up since then. So right now, don't really have any prediction on pound dollar. Let's just see how that plays out.